Okay, so you had some lung struggles. You had
Pneumonia.
pneumonia. How long? And you went to the ICU?
Yes.
Yeah.
I was in there for 6 days.
And how long were you struggling with the pneumonia symptoms altogether?
Well, I'm remembering the time frame. I think it was about 2 weeks before I came, but when I did come, I was having trouble with my asthma, which is like a secondary thing, and the air, the pollution was...
We had a lot of fires.
It was bad. Yeah, it was like orange, and I was wheezing and quite badly, and it had been, going on for a while. And so I finally came and I saw you, and you told me I can fix that. And I thought, okay. And when I got home that day, I just felt so much better. But then when I went to bed, I felt like my wheezing was reduced, but it was like the next day, just about the next day, or maybe it was 2 days, I can't remember for sure, but the wheezing went away. And
Completely?
Completely, yes. And I'd been struggling with that for a couple of weeks, so anyway.
That's so exciting. And you had a follow-up with your doctor, and the lungs were 100% clear?
Yes.
That is so exciting. Yeah. And then we just did a session for you just now. We did some of the side-lying neck and shoulder work. How do you feel about that?
Well, it feels like... I haven't done that before, I don't think, or maybe I don't
we did
remember.
one
Maybe
time,
one other
but
time.
It was when your shoulder was still pretty intense.
But, oh my gosh, my shoulder is so much better. I mean, I'm able to move and not feel like my right shoulder was sort of doing its own thing. And
it was really locked up.
It was. And the pain alone makes it so you lock your shoulder up, And now I just don't have that pain anymore. And I feel great.
Yay. 1 out of 10, 10 being the worst pain of your whole life. What was the pain before and what is it now?
Well, the pain, I would say, because it woke me up at night, it would vary in intensity through the day. But at night especially, it seemed like it was worse, like a 9, And today, I don't have any pain in my shoulders.
That's amazing. And you had a pretty intense injury, which is why the shoulder was an issue.
Yes.
One of those gates came on your car.
It was a sideways hit, which kind of threw me off center, I guess. And it was an intense pain for months. That was it. That was in February.
Yeah, and we're in August now, so
Yeah.
about 6 months.
Yeah.
But doing much better. Posture's looking great. I'm so excited for you.
Stand up tall.
And pain-free. That's the best part.
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Well, thank you.